3,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms of sticks and bricks, down to a 500 square foot RV.
And it really has had its challenges. Today, we are going to show you through the house and how we put things into the RV.
And we got them in there pretty tight. But you know, Patty, today is a pretty big day for us, as today, episode 4 of our TV show, Exploring Through Our Lens, here in Las Vegas, will air at 12:30 Pacific time.
Now you could also watch it on our YouTube channel. It'll be simulcast there and the link will be below.
Now we are so excited to officially launch our YouTube channel on Monday, but there's one more thing happening Monday.
We are going full-time in our RV on Monday, and we want you to join the journey. So go to our YouTube channel and subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications and see us exploring through the US.
Let's take a look at how we have packed all of this stuff into that little teensy space. So I'm about to cook one of our last breakfasts in this beautiful house of ours, but what I wanted to point out is, for those of you that know me, you know that I love to cook, and I had a whole chef's set of pots and pans and all the things to make sauces and everything. Well, we are sacrificing. Now I am down to 2 pans, 1 pot and 1 pan. They're brand new, we just bought them. And they are a non-stick surface. Now, you have to have, when you're camping, a cast iron pan. So I have the cast iron pan we're gonna bring with us. And the last thing we're gonna bring with us is this flat griddle that I use outside on the barbecue. So I've gone down from all of this stuff. Goodwill loves us because it's all gone, and this is all I'm taking for our cooking utensils.
Here we are in the closet. Now, most of this was mine and it was filled yesterday. And so I'm down to the last few items. This is the most difficult area for me. I got really lucky yesterday as Dan was distracted. So I got all of my shoes and I stuck them in the RV before he could see me. Now, the last few things in the kitchen, okay, maybe more than a few things, is always the hardest to get packed up and figure out where you're going to put it.
I'd like you to take a second and think about what's in your garage. And you know, sometimes I think like the more stuff you have in the garage, the bigger a man you are. But I gotta tell you, this garage, this side of the garage was my shop area and my work area, and you can see it's almost completely done. I have about another hour of getting things out of here. So the last time we moved, we had a U-Haul truck and we had to pack it and then unpack it. But this one's a little bit different. What we've been doing is staging all of the stuff that we want to take out to the RV. We wanted to stage it right here because our move is just right outside the door.
Everything we own has been compressed down and put in these 2 storage bins. So getting everything into cabinets in the RV, everything from the house in here. I have to thank Keep Your Daydream and You, Me in the RV and Changing Lanes. These are RV YouTube channels that really helped with, you know, how to store things, how to put spices in jars and be easily accessible. Everything's very different once you move into an RV, trying to figure out space, and these shows have been a huge help, and I'm feeling really good about getting everything into the cabinets so we can get out of here. Remember that great big closet I was sitting in? Everything had to fit in this closet and these cabinets. And guess what? Still not going to tell Dan where I hid the shoes.
So one of the things you need to do to go full-time as a YouTube channel and a television show is remodel a few things. Now most RVs have a couch on each side of the RV, as did this one when we bought it. But we have taken out one of the couches, and everything doesn't always go according to plan. So we bought this wonderful desk, and it came from Amazon yesterday, but they didn't ship the desktop. So we are leaving Monday, and as you can see, there's no top on the desk. Hopefully FedEx will get it here to us before we leave on Monday at noon. That is the last 2 days. We have our countdown going. We have 2 more days until the official launch of Exploring Through Our Lens, the YouTube channel. We have 2 more days until Patti and I hit the road full time. So we hope that you enjoy what we're doing.
Right. Please check out the channel, and if it resonates, subscribe, hit the bell, and join us as we explore America.
Until we see you again, I'm Dan Hunt, and this is my incredible wife, Patti Hunt, saying have a great rest of today.
And an even better day tomorrow.